London Gatwick Airport has become a perfect example of how effectively consumer tech can disrupt our infrastructure. On Wednesday night at around 9 p.m. local time, a drone was spotted flying near the airport, forcing an immediate suspension of all flights in and out of Gatwick. The airport remained closed all day on Thursday and finally reopened Friday morning with a limited number of flights operating, according to a statement from officials. The airport remained open throughout Friday until about 8 p.m., when flights were suspended once again. As you can imagine, this resulted in complete disorder for everyone involved in the incident. Passengers at the airport described scenes of total chaos, with thousands stranded and staff being unable to offer much of any information. Flights due to land at Gatwick were diverted to either Manchester, Luton, or Heathrow, with some flights even going as far as Paris and Amsterdam. To add to the troubles, it seems unlikely that those affected will be able to receive any compensation from their airline. The UK Civil Aviation Authority considers this event to be an extraordinary circumstance, meaning that airlines are not obligated to pay for compensation. So what about the perpetrators? Well, unfortunately, as of right now, the person or persons responsible for these drone flights have yet to be found, though police officers have identified persons of interest from their searches. It is believed that the disruption was indeed deliberate, though thankfully not likely to be terror-related. Some UK media have reported that this may be the work of environmental protesters, though no group has claimed responsibility, so for now, the perpetrators' motivations remain unclear. What is clear, however, is that they were definitely well prepared for this act. Police have mentioned that the drones used were of industrial specification, meaning that they were of higher quality than your standard everyday drone. Also, drones have limited battery power, which is why it's believed that there were more than one used during the disruptions. Now, if and when the perpetrators are caught, they could face up to 5 years in prison for endangering the safety of aircraft and passengers. There is also a £10,000 reward for information leading to their arrest. So what can be done to prevent something like this from happening in the future? Well, one airspace security company has suggested that airports could start using a combination of radar, camera detection, and jamming technologies to help shut down illegal drone flights. Other transport and aviation companies have called for drone laws to be tightened, with suggestions such as extending the airport exclusion zone from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers. In any case, it is quite unfortunate and ridiculous that someone would feel the urge to cause such major disruptions to an airport and potentially put many lives in danger. So what do you guys think about this incident? Do you believe that more laws should be implemented to prevent this from happening again? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyhow, thanks for watching. As always, have an excellent day, and I will see you all very soon.